What are you wearing today? What are you wearing today? Are you wearing a shirt?
Yes, I am.
Are you wearing jeans?
Yes, I am.
Are you wearing a jacket?
Yes, I am.
Are you wearing socks?
Yes, I am.
Are you wearing shoes?
Yes, I am.
Are you wearing a t-shirt?
No, I'm not.
Are you wearing a jumper?
No, I'm not.
Are you wearing a coater?
No, I'm not.
Are you wearing a skirt?
No, I'm not.
Are you wearing a dress?
No, I'm not.
I am wearing a shirt and jeans. I am wearing a jacket and socks. I am wearing shoes, but I am not wearing a t-shirt. I am not wearing a jumper or a coat. I am not wearing a skirt or a dress. What is she wearing today? What is she wearing today? Is she wearing a shirt?
Yes, she is.
Is she wearing jeans?
Yes, she is.
Is she wearing a jacket?
Yes, she is.
Is she wearing socks?
Yes, she is.
Is she wearing shoes?
Yes, she is.
Is she wearing a t-shirt?
No, she isn't.
Is she wearing a jumper?
No, she isn't.
Is she wearing a coat?
No, she isn't.
Is she wearing a skirt?
No, she isn't.
Is she wearing a dress?
No, she isn't.
She is wearing a shirt and jeans. She is wearing a jacket and socks. She is wearing shoes, but she isn't wearing a t-shirt. She isn't wearing a jumper or a coat. She isn't wearing a skirt or a dress. What are you wearing today? What are you wearing